project called the Story Maker. So the Story Maker is a web application that runs an RNN model that can generate new text, character by character. The model was trained on Anna Karenina, which is a book, and it will be able, or it is able to generate new text based on the text from the book. So basically, the model's general architecture will be a character-wise RNN. So how does the web application work? The web application has two form fields, has a form with two fields. The first field is called keyword. So it takes a prime for the model. So what is a prime? A prime is basically like the starting point, um, like the starting point which has characters that the model will need to use in order to generate like new text afterwards. New characters, new text, yeah. The second field is number of characters. So this field takes in the number of characters you want the output text to have. There is another page called your story. So basically, this is where the characters or the text that will be generated by the model will be displayed. Demo time. Cool. Start this one out. So I'm gonna start with something like he said. And say like 150 characters. So if it generate, um, so sometimes it takes a longer time to generate, but this is the story that was generated. He said it was an even of surplus. We had hardly always been to be a sudden and too tired. He took a shot there, and his strings crawling. Okay, some of these things don't even make sense because I don't even know whether they're English words, but I think the model can be improved by like training it in like for like longer periods because I only trained it like for like 20 epochs and I think another thing which can help like to improve the model will be to use maybe text like a bigger textbook instead of like something which is over like 1 million characters. So the Anna Karenina book has only like I think 1.9 million characters. So you can like try to like increase that. So great. I was able to like create a web app which has a model that takes in a prime or keyword and a bunch of like a number of like say characters that you want it like generate. So what are the use cases of this model? So I can say like we can use it for essays and stuff because even if it takes like the same number of characters and the same keyword, um, the story that will be generated will be different each and every single time. It can also be used like to write scripts and stuff. Where else? Where else? Where else? Oh, simple stories. Yeah, you can also use it in simple stories. So, if you wanna like play around with the web app and check out the project and even build your own, you can like there are links. There's the link to the notebook, which will like guide you through every single step you need to create your own. And we also have like there's also a link for the web application also there, and also the project repository for the entire thing, like the web app, the code behind it, and everything. So have fun. Thank you.